Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this LED monitor light from Quntis. And a big thanks to Quntis for sending this out to review. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is an LED monitor for the top of your PC, and basically, as you can see, it does go on top of your monitor, and then it illuminates your desk below, so your keyboard and mouse area. Comes in at a price of $39.99. What it says below there, it offers no screen glare and flicker-free anti-blue light, has a touch control and auto-dimming design, and then also has manual stepless dimming and memory function, so you can long press on that dimming key, and it goes between 3000 and 6500K color temperature. Has a space-saving design, of course, because it goes on top of your computer, not going to be in the way, and offers a long lifespan as well. So let's go and unbox it and see what we get inside. So, of course, we have the Quntis branding. We have a picture of it here. LED monitor light for PC. Interesting way they did that there. And then on here you can see the monitors it works with. So on an ordinary monitor, you can see that it has adjustments for how it fits on the monitor. And then you see the LED light over on top of the monitor here. So that's an ordinary monitor, 1.1 to 1.4 inches in width. You have an ultra thin monitor. So as you can see, it has a different way of doing it there. That is for a 0.28 to 1.1 inch monitor. And then a curved or regular monitor, as you can see, it is at an angle there. We have the model information here. It comes in elegant black, 5 watts. Color rendering temperature is 95 RA. Color temperature 3600K. Precise touch dimming, LED. The input, so it is USB-C. We have aluminum alloy, PC, ABS, and it has a 1.3 foot cord. So you'll have to plug this in somewhere to get power. And then you have their information as well right there. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside of the box. All right, so inside the box we have our instructions here. So LED screen light, as you can see here, anti-glare, eye protected, no multi-shadow, and 25,000 hours. All right, and then it shows you, it has a Type-C input. You have a screen clip here. We have more information here. You can see a picture of it right there. So it works for computer, PC, iMac, desktop PCs, MacBook, etc. The touch button is on off, and of course long pressing will change the you have a touch on off, and you have a light sensor, stepless dimmable button. So you have multiple buttons on the top of this thing. Light sensor switch, touch once to adjust the light intensity automatically according to the environment. When the small indicator lights turn blue, the function is working. Touch once to turn off. When the function is working, lamp will adjust automatically. Environment turn bright, the light turns dark gradually. Environment turns dark, the lamp turns bright gradually. If you want to stop this function, you have touch the function button and then touch the dimmable button. So the color temperature change, control the color temperature, touch the button for 3 seconds and change between 3000, 4000, and 6500K. Touch the brightness button, and that will dim the button there. All right, so step 1 is to attach it to the actual mount itself. Mount the screen bar lamp into clip as above shown. Don't slide into the mount. And then you have here step 1, step 2, step 3. So we'll go ahead and try this. And then how to use the screen clip here. Got all that information here. So I'm sure you guys don't really care much about that. It looks pretty simple. We'll go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box, and then we'll go ahead and try it ourselves here. So it looks like the first thing I pulled out here is the cord. So we'll check this thing out. So it is a nice braided cord, a USB-C to USB-A. Looks like we have our actual mount itself here. Feels like a pretty hefty mount. So yeah, I'm not really sure how this is going to work, but you have a little rubber grommet here, so that'll go on the back of the monitor and hold it on there. And I think this piece slides here. So this piece slides and goes onto the monitor right there, I think. And then this is where your lamp actually goes. We have a little Allen wrench and another piece. And it looks like we have the lamp itself. All right, so as you can see, we have a little bit of branding here. We do have our, brightness button, temperature button here. So these are touch buttons. You have the sensor, it looks like, for it to figure out whether it's dark or light. We have another button here, and we have our power button as well. And then this is where the USB-C charger goes. Oh, so USB-C for the charging of this, and then it goes to USB-A. That's good. And then you can see screen linear. And then you can see underneath the lights. So it doesn't look like it's a, well, actually, no. It looks like it's completely all LEDs, different colors, so it will get that color temperature you're looking for. So you do have two pieces right here that have little rubber pieces on here, and these are for adjustments. So depending on the size of your monitor will depend on which one you want to use. So as you can see here, this is a pretty thick opening, and you can put your monitor right here. You have this other piece. This is going to be probably for thinner monitors or like a laptop monitor if it goes right here. Again, I haven't hooked this up yet, so I'm not really sure how this goes. You have another one right here for this kind of thickness here. So let's go ahead and try it out and see which one works on mine. Mine is fairly thin. Pardon my dirty desk, but this is basically what I've been using to light up portions of my desk, is this little light, and it just clips onto the side. And this is my monitor here, so I actually have two monitors. So this is the main monitor I use, so this is right above my keyboard, so that's the one I'm going to put this on. So here is how it looks. So I used one of the blocks, so this is not a super thick monitor, but it did actually use one of the blocks, and I couldn't actually put this all the way down. You just put it at an angle. That's the way to keep it stable, so it feels pretty stable on there. And as you can see, it does provide quite a good bit of light, so excuse my mess. But it does provide a lot of light, so I like that. So let's go over these little touch functions. So we have the on off, and it is just a touch button. This one, I think this is what adjusts it to the light around you. We have the temperature, so you can hold this down and that should change it. So as you can see, it's changing, change it again. And then we have, it looks like the brightness. Yeah, so you can just tap that, and as you can see, it will adjust the brightness of it. So there you go. So that's pretty nice. So you don't have to have it super bright, and it does really illuminate my keyboard and everything. So I really like this so far. I think it's a really nice little light here. All right, guys, so there you go. Just a quick look at the Quntis LED monitor light. So again, this is, I believe, $39.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested. I think it looks pretty nice with my setup here and does offer quite a bit of light. So definitely something to look for if you're looking to have something to illuminate your desk that's not in the way. Just sits on the monitor like so. Looks really, really nice. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next